Assalamu alaikum dear students, class 10 students. We are going to start today with the practical of pH. As we have completed lesson number 2, that is acids, bases and salt. We come across one of the topic that is pH of the solution. How strong your acids and bases are. So dear student, in that we studied about the pH indicator. So today we are going to see how actually it works. So I am holding the pH strip. Are you able to see the colors on it, my dear students? When we are going to use the different solutions, we will get different colors like this, and we can compare with the number given over here, and we can see how much acidic or how much basic your substance are. Okay? So we are starting with our practical, that is we have to take the solution of dilute HCl, dilute NaOH, dilute glacial acetic acid, we have to use the water, and we have to use the solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Dear student, in your textbook, in your practical book, it is given over here. As you are able to see, we have taken all these particular solutions except the lemon juice. What we are going to do? We are going to use the pH paper, and with the help of the pH paper, I will be putting one drop of the solution on the pH paper, and we will see the color change. Dear student, actually the pH paper is having this color, that is lightest yellow in color. So on the coming in the contact with the solutions, it shows this kind of the coloration. I hope you are able to see the colors. I have already done once it, and I am going to do it once more for you so that you can understand how the change is taking place. So this is known as a glass rod. This is your particular watch glass in which I have taken the dilute HCl solution. What I am going to do? I am going to dip my glass rod, and I am going to keep it on my pH paper. So dear student, are you able to see the color? The pH paper has shown this kind of the coloration, which we can keep it over here and we can see it. Is it clear? What you can do, you can match it with the paper given to you. So you can say that the pH is like 3. It is 3. It is not dark as 1. It is 3. So you can compare it and you can write it that pH is 3 and it is acidic in nature. I hope you are getting the idea how we do it. Let us see. The second is NaOH. So NaOH, when we are taking on the paper, are you able to see the color change? Yes, dear student. So what we can do, we have to take this paper, we are going to take this paper and we are going to match it with the colors over here. So are you able to see how the color is being matched over here? And that is how we are going to write down their particular pH. Okay, that is we have seen with NaOH. Let us see with the glacial acetic acid. So dear student, with the glacial acetic acid, we are getting this coloration. So you can see it that you are having lightest red type of the coloration, and which you can match it over here. So it is very light. Okay. That is how it works. pH paper it works. Then we are having water. See, we are using the water, and water, when we take it, it is coming with the yellowish color only. What does it shows? It shows that pH of the water is 7. So pH of the water is going to come with the 7. You can compare it over here and you can see it. The last solution is your sodium hydrogen carbonate. So dear student, are you able to see the color change already there? But on your this pressed paper, you can see the color change. I hope you are able to see the color. So dear student, this is again you can go with the comparison over here. So this is how we can compare our particular solution with the help of the pH paper. So what is the process? You have to take the solution. What you can do, you can go for matching it like this. What you have to do, you have to match and you have to write the number. Okay, so here your practical is over, but let me tell you how to write. That I am showing you now. So please pay attention on how you have to write it, that you have to see from your lab manual.